Hey everyone, welcome to our How Find Things channel. Today our video will be about prompt engineering. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about prompt engineering, from the basics to advanced concepts. What is prompt engineering and how can it help you? Prompt engineering is a technique that allows you to control the output of a large language model, LLM. By giving LLM a prompt, you can tell it what kind of output you want and it will do its best to generate that output. Prompt engineering can be used for a variety of tasks, including 1. Generating text. 2. Translating languages. 3. Write different creative content. 4. Solving real-world problems. If you're interested in learning more about engineering prompts, this video is for you. I'll be covering everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced concepts. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Mixing field of knowledge with profession allows the best use of an AI for various applications. The arrival and popularization of new content development platforms has been fast, especially in the field of generative artificial intelligence, AI. Services like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Bing Chat, Midjourney and other mechanisms help you to produce texts, illustrations, tables, graphics and even applications, looking for creative solutions to solve simple tasks. However, it is not enough to just open the chatbots and send simple requests to these AIs. They always deliver some result, but they can do better the more precise, complete and well-written the command is. This requires not only a lot of study, but also practice on these platforms. Knowing how to use these resources has even given rise to a new area of knowledge, a specialty called prompt engineering, which can no longer be considered a profession of the future, but of the present. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is a discipline that can be summarized as the art and science of creating effective prompts for artificial intelligence, AI, language models, with the goal of directing chatbots to deliver more accurate responses. Accurate and useful. Prompts are the texts written in the input box of a generative AI, with the guidelines of which task or content you want to see produced, such as produce a list of the best tourist destinations in Brazil or tell me a horror story about a haunted house, citing simple examples and without much professional application. The complexity of the explanation in the form of an order, the use of key terms and even the ability to make corrections throughout the chatbot's production are some skills acquired by this engineering specialization. In other words, the prompt engineer is a qualified professional to use AI platforms and get the best possible result from text commands, knowing the paths and pioneering new ways of using these services. Utilities and possibilities. This area of knowledge can be used in a playful way, for leisure and entertainment in the generation of content, or professionally, in sectors such as health, finance, retail and services. In a more simplified way, this area of knowledge can be used in a playful way, for leisure and entertainment in the generation of content. With the right commands, it is possible to obtain illustrations in generative image services, play games with ChatGPT and do other activities, such as summarizing articles for study. However, the application with the greatest potential for growth is professionally, in sectors such as health, finance, retail, and services. A good prompt engineer can help train and build a chatbot model that helps patients understand medical conditions based on symptoms and descriptions, or help develop more efficient virtual assistants for customer service. In the case of programming, the generation of entire codes, reviewing complex codes in search of bugs or incompatibilities and even suggestions on how to improve a tool can be performed in a short time by a well-trained and properly used generative AI. In a simple example, you can quickly understand how a better and fuller command generates better results. In the CRAI and generative AI, for example, you get the following results when you ask for illustrations with the prompt: make an image of a dog having a milkshake in France. However, the results are more specific and closer to what you would probably like if the command were make an image of a poodle dog having a strawberry milkshake on a lawn in front of the Eiffel Tower, Van Gogh style. Notice how you can specify the AI you need on variables such as style, setting, physical characteristics, and even geographic accuracy. The same goes for requests for texts, codes, tables, and other content. In addition to knowing how to talk to an AI, prompt engineering can help professionals build, customize, or improve language models based on what is called transfer learning. This process is the training of a neural network from a large set of data and, in a second step, culminating in the use of the network for more specific tasks according to the area of activity and demand. Thus, an AI can take advantage of prior knowledge in another related task without the need for specific training, such as a tool that recognizes objects turning into a facial recognition mechanism, for example. The prompt engineer must also be able to design techniques and conduct training that guide other users through AI platforms, in addition to improving the security of language models, preventing them from delivering unwanted content or that could harm users. How to become a prompt engineer. To become a prompt engineering specialist, it is ideal to have varied knowledge in areas such as linguistics, programming, mathematics, and statistics, although there is no formal prerequisite for the sector. This is because the main characteristics needed for this task are creativity, logical reasoning, critical thinking, communication skills, and patience. After all, you will have to perform several commands on generative AI platforms in a trial and error format to reach the desired result and understand how each service works, absorbing or creating techniques and strategies to better deal with language models. Where to learn prompt engineering? There are thousands of articles, videos, in short, a lot of material being produced all the time right now in some corner of the world. If you are interested in this area and want to know more about it or go deeper into the subject, there are already online courses and books that can help you learn the concepts and practices of prompt engineering. Here are some of those places you can access to learn a little more about how to make a good prompt and even specialize. Check it out. Distance course platforms, such as Udemy and Coursera, offer classes on the subject. For those who dominate English, OpenAI, developer of ChatGPT, has also published a short course aimed at developers. The GitHub repository is another to offer a very complete and more advanced guide for experienced users. Microsoft has published a complete guide with prompt engineering techniques for all levels of users. For the time being, there are no university disciplines or even specialized degrees on the subject in some countries, but it is a matter of time before they start to appear. Prompt engineering is a profession of the future with current applications, which can bring many benefits to independent professionals and companies. Knowing how to communicate better with AIs and making the most of their potential makes you create innovative solutions to practical problems and stand out in the job market in an area that is already a reality, but which should generate new jobs for those who specialize in these platforms. Here are some of the best YouTube channels to learn prompt engineering. Prompt Engineering by Engineer Prompt. This channel covers a wide range of topics related to prompt engineering, including how to create effective prompts, how to use prompts to generate different creative text formats, and how to use prompts to solve real-world problems. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering Course by ChatGPT. This channel offers a comprehensive course on how to use ChatGPT for prompt engineering. The course covers topics such as how to create and customize ChatGPT prompts, how to use ChatGPT to generate different creative text formats, and how to use ChatGPT to solve real-world problems. This is how professionals use ChatGPT, Advanced Course, by ChatGPT. This channel offers an advanced course on how to use ChatGPT for prompt engineering. The course covers topics such as how to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality images, how to use ChatGPT to generate realistic text, and how to use ChatGPT to solve complex problems. In addition to these channels, there are many other great resources available on YouTube for learning prompt engineering. A quick search for prompt engineering will yield a number of results, including videos from conferences, tutorials, and workshops. Here are some tips for learning prompt engineering from YouTube. Start with the basics. There are many introductory videos on YouTube that can teach you the basics of prompt engineering. These videos will help you understand the concepts behind prompt engineering and how to create effective prompts. Practice makes perfect. The best way to learn prompt engineering is to practice. Try creating different prompts and see how they affect the output of the AI model. You can also find prompts that other people have created and try using them yourself. Join a community. There are many online communities where you can discuss prompt engineering with other people. These communities can be a great source of support and advice. With a little effort, you can learn prompt engineering from YouTube. Just remember to start with the basics, practice regularly, and join a community. With time and effort, you'll be able to create effective prompts that can generate high-quality output from AI models. Here are some of the best websites to learn prompt engineering. Learn Prompting. This website offers a free and open-source curriculum on prompt engineering. The curriculum covers topics such as how to create effective prompts, how to use prompts to generate different creative text formats, and how to use prompts to solve real-world problems. Prompt Engineering Guide. This website is a comprehensive guide to prompt engineering. The guide covers topics such as the history of prompt engineering, the different types of prompts, how to create effective prompts, and how to use prompts to generate different creative text formats. Awesome ChatGPT Prompts. This website is a collection of ChatGPT prompts that have been shared by users. The website includes prompts for a variety of tasks, such as generating text, translating languages, and writing different creative content. The ultimate collection of ChatGPT products and prompts. This website is a collection of ChatGPT products and prompts. The website includes products such as ChatGPT chatbots, ChatGPT games, and ChatGPT tools. It also includes prompts for a variety of tasks, such as generating text, translating languages, and writing different creative content. In addition to these websites, there are many other great resources available online for learning prompt engineering. A quick search for prompt engineering will yield a number of results, including blog posts, articles, and tutorials. Here are some tips for learning prompt engineering from websites. Start with the basics. There are many introductory articles and blog posts on the basics of prompt engineering. These articles and blog posts will help you understand the concepts behind prompt engineering and how to create effective prompts. Practice makes perfect. The best way to learn prompt engineering is to practice. Try creating different prompts and see how they affect the output of the AI model. You can also find prompts that other people have created and try using them yourself. Join a community. There are many online communities where you can discuss prompt engineering with other people. These communities can be a great source of support and advice. With a little effort, you can learn prompt engineering from websites. Just remember to start with the basics, practice regularly, and join a community. With time and effort, you'll be able to create effective prompts that can generate high-quality output from AI models. There is no doubt that learning to create your own prompts will be a competitive advantage for any professional working with artificial intelligence. So if you're thinking of getting into this topic, this area, don't waste time, start now. Good luck! Good studies and much success! We have reached the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Thanks. Goodbye.